And welcome back to the channel, everyone, for this luxury primary bathroom makeover. Quiet elegance and stylish design ideas. Let's get right into the video. Again, this stylish bathroom makeover, as you can see here, I'm starting with a complete blank canvas, a large space featuring gray walls with, as all the other walls in the New Beginnings home makeovers, the lavender undertones, garden tub as you can see here, and a separate shower area. While I'm saving the lighting and cabinetry updates for later, the first step is removing the tile from both of the walls, and then next I'll refresh the entire space with a coat of the beautiful, elegant as always, whisper white paint. And with the whisper white paint, I always want to achieve that elegant and quiet design that I envision for my spaces. As always, I'll start with the space and painting by cutting in at the top and the bottom of the walls before rolling on the paint for a flawless finish. So follow along as I transform the space into this serene and luxurious retreat. Again, we want to go with that theme of creating that luxury bathroom makeover, the key feature for this room. And this is one of the key features, which is this large mirror wall. So instead of replacing the mirror, since I like to live in a space and experience it before making major purchases, I opted for a cost-effective yet stylish solution, which here was creating a custom mirror frame with molding. I visited my local hardware store and I picked up wide molding, a new miter box, and of course a handsaw. The choice of wider molding was intentional and maintained an elegant design with precise measurements and cuts. I framed the existing mirror, transforming it into a stunning focal point that enhances the quiet luxury aesthetic of this stylish bathroom makeover. For a quick side note here, for a quick project like this, no power tools are needed, making it perfect if you want to try it yourself and if you are a novice with using any kind of tools. The miter box I use is incredibly user-friendly and designed for precision cuts. It features all the essential angles you'll need, even for the basic crown molding cuts, and the lightweight saw includes a plastic shield for added safety when not in use. The molding, what I used to adhere it, was a double-sided sticky back hook and loop tape, so no glue is needed for this project. This method is ideal if you are someone who loves flexibility and being an agent of change. So with these simple tools and technique, you too can achieve an elegant and stylish mirror update without any hassle, and possibly, more than likely, will cost you less money. Well, as the lady said, she wasn't exactly prepared to be on camera, but here we are. Side note here, here's a handy tip for your DIY projects. If you forget your leveler, no worries. Your iPhone, if you have one, has one built right in. I used it for this project and it was just as accurate as the measuring tape and a leveler, which I checked afterwards to make sure. It's a simple built-in feature that can save the day for quick, stylish updates just like this one. Space needed some art, so I chose my personal piece, Souls Rising, to inspire me daily with that thought in mind. And to complement the elegant and quiet design that I was going for, I added a few subtle pieces to the adjacent wall with touches of gold, and that was in keeping with the colors that was going to be soft and serene. This tied the entire bathroom makeover together, keeping it stylish with a blend of quiet luxury and adding those personal touches. Keeping the momentum going, I turned my attention to the tub area. I couldn't leave it bare as the wide open space felt very cold despite the warmer paint softening it. To add the soft touch, inviting touch, I hung cream off-white drapery that I sewed together, pairing it with a muted gold shower rod. That touch of gold You know, a signature element I love to include brought about that elegance and warmth to the space, tying it into that overall, again, stylish bathroom makeover with quiet luxury and elegant design. We can't leave this vast countertop bare, of course. I added a functional elegance with gold accented soap and lotion dispensers, plus a pretty jar holding my custom candle scent inside of it. The candle will add that cozy ambiance, perfect for soaking baths, tying beautifully into the quiet luxury, and again, that stylish bathroom makeover. A space is never truly complete without a floral touch, especially when it comes to Chanel. Even though these flowers are faux, I always feel a need to bring that touch of life into a room. For this luxury bathroom makeover, I chose a large cream vase to sit on the counter. Since there's no double sink, I prefer to keep things stored out of sight, and the counter has the space to hold this arrangement without feeling overcrowded. The vase itself is perfectly sized for the area, and it adds an element of elegance without taking away from the overall design. I carefully fluffed the florals and slightly bent them to create a natural, soft flow that will bring about a sense of movement to the arrangement. Taking the time to arrange each stem just right adds a level of sophistication for any arrangement. Once positioned on the counter, this floral touch brings everything together, rounding out the quiet luxury aesthetic, and it also will enhance the stylish bathroom makeover overall. It's the final detail that brings warmth and personality to the space while staying true to my elegant and serene atmosphere that I am envisioning. Lastly, I had this empty space that needed something special, so I decided to add a vanity chair. There's no additional storage in the bathroom other than under the sink, so I opted for a round ottoman to bring in softness with its shape and a pop of elegant blue. This ottoman not only adds a stylish look, but it also serves a practical purpose, which we call functionality. And I can roll my linens and place them inside, keeping them within arm's reach for daily use. It's the perfect blend of form and function, enhancing the overall quiet luxury of the space while offering much needed storage. Oh, and let's not forget this part. As I mentioned, this makeover is all about luxury and elegance, and let's not forget on a budget. And just in time for the colder season, I received this lovely towel warmer from Vivor. It's the perfect addition to elevate the experience. After a soothing bath, you can wrap yourself in a luxuriously warm towel, completing the moment of relaxation. I know, right? It adds that final touch of cozy luxury to your space, making it feel even more inviting. And the link, you know where to find it down below for this amazing towel warmer. Let's end this video and I'll show you the complete makeover. And as always, stay inspired, motivated, and keep moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. This has been Chanel, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all for the next one. Bye for now.